In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Razorpay to Odoo, a powerful open-source business application. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the home page of your Odoo website. This is where you'll begin the process of adding Razorpay as your payment provider. Simply enter your Odoo URL into your web browser and you should be greeted with the home screen of your website. Once you're on the home page, look for the website option. It's typically located in the header of the Odoo interface. Go ahead and click on that. You might see it pop up right next to some other options, but the website link should stand out for you. Next, at the top of your website page, you'll notice a few tabs labeled Site, E-commerce, Reporting, and Configuration. Click on the Configuration tab. This will open up a variety of settings related to how your website operates. After you've clicked on Configuration, look for the section titled Payment Providers and give that a click. This section will show you all the different payment methods available for your Odoo site. It's a crucial step because this is where you'll find Razorpay among other options. Once you're on the Payment Providers page, you'll see a list of all available payment methods. Here, you'll want to look specifically for Razorpay. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. Choosing the right payment method is important, so make sure that Razorpay is the one that your customers are most comfortable using. With Razorpay selected, the next step is to install the payment method. You would typically see an option to install it. Click on that. This will allow Odoo to incorporate Razorpay into its system. Once the installation is complete, the next step is to connect Razorpay to your Odoo platform. You should see a button that says Connect, specifically for Razorpay. Clicking on this button will guide you through linking your Razorpay account with your Odoo site. If you haven't created a Razorpay account yet, make sure to do that first, as you'll need your API keys to facilitate the integration. After connecting Razorpay, you should make sure that the setup is complete. Locate the section in your Razorpay settings where you can enable the payment method. This final step is crucial. By clicking on Enable, you confirm that Razorpay will be active for your customers when they check out. And that's it. You've successfully connected Razorpay to Odoo. Make sure to test the setup to ensure everything works smoothly before officially launching it for your customers. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Happy selling with Odoo.